Hi everyone, my name is Adriaan. I'm the owner of Eza Watches, and today I would like to discuss with you the automatic winding function of our movements. Here we have once more the ETA 2824 movement, disassembled, and this one is assembled. So on the watch there are two ways to wind it. You can wind it by hand with the crown, or you can wind it by moving the entire movement. The rotor that you see moving is the part that winds the spring. It's moving all day when you're wearing the watch. From the rotor, the energy goes through the automatic winding module, through a series of gears, to the main barrel. It very, very slowly winds your spring all the time that you're wearing it. An important difference is that the spring of an automatic winding watch doesn't stop at a certain point. When you have a manual winding watch, the spring can be like this, that you can wind it to a certain point and then you stop. It's fully wound. In an automatic watch, that's never the case, because the outside of the spring slips in the inside of the barrel. That's why you always put some extra grease in the barrel, because it's a part that suffers quite a lot of force during wearing. This means that when it slips, the spring slips, it winds again till its maximum and slips a bit further and winds again. This means that your watch is always fully wound when you're wearing it, which is a good thing for the precision of the watch, since the force is very constant on the gear train. So this is the part I wanted to show you about the automatic winding. Thank you very much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.